Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I'm participating in a DIY challenge of all styles and crafts put together by Heidi Sonboul. She had asked us to participate if we want to grow our channels and if we have something interesting to share with our viewers. I wasn't able to join the previous couple of challenges put together by Heidi, but this time I decided to join because the April theme is farmhouse style. And although I'm not a big fan of farmhouse style, but I have one item that I decided to DIY, and you will see the end result soon. I saw this cute coffee table with no glass top at my friend's garage. Yes, the top was broken and she didn't know what to do with it. So she was holding on it, but when I asked if I could take it and kind of save her the hard time of moving it from one side to another, she was nicely surprised and said, "Why not? Yes, I know you can DIY it, and let's see what you can come up with." And as you can see, I thoroughly washed it and now I'm cutting it. Sorry, I have to do voiceover because the recording was gone and I don't know what happened to the video. So I decided to paint over the original paint, which was kind of already darkened in some places, and I came to an idea of just doing an off-white color because I had that paint at home. And now after painting it into off-white, I'm going to start making the top. As you can see, this is the packaging of the clock that I purchased from 99-cent store, and the price was $9.99. By then I didn't know where I could use it, but I just purchased. And here is the clock that I took out from the packaging, and as you can see, it is kind of reminding a farmhouse style. What do you think? And I found my glass top. Actually, I had it on my old coffee table. You may also consider to check out my Easter of 2020 egg decorating options and coffee table setup video, which I already uploaded a couple of days ago. This is the glass top and this is the clock, and I'll show you how it fits on my new table. Are you ready for the transformation? Here we go. Yes, I used the clock, which is from thick carton, and it has wine bottle and wine glass next to each other, and as you can see, it has just one wine glass. Hopefully next year I'll have two wine glasses. The clock, which is of course working clock, I didn't remove the foam yet but pretty soon it will start working. I need to add just a battery from the bottom. And by the way, it happened so that the glass top of my small coffee table that I was always using is smaller than the top of my new coffee table. So by a lucky chance, the glass top got stuck 2 fingers higher than the clock itself, so they don't interfere each other's main purpose. The clock can still work if I put the battery. The glass top will be serving me as a coffee table. Thanks for watching, thanks for staying with me till this moment, and thanks to Heidi Sonboul for putting this type of challenge together and inviting everyone who decides to join. And hopefully you can go ahead and put your thumbs up in case you like my DIY project. Please don't forget to check other ladies' channels and put your thumbs up for their videos, and go and check out Heidi Sonboul's channel because she has a bunch, millions of interesting, easy to do DIYs for your household, for different types of art projects, and she has lots of other organizational videos. So she's wonderful. Just go and check her channel and other participating ladies channel. I will put the link to her channel below this video. Check out the description box, as well as I will put the playlist below this video. So thanks again for staying with me till this moment, and see you in my next video. Bye bye everyone. Postscriptum. My new coffee table reminds me of a compass, which itself reminds me of my next project. Upcoming one will be probably about a Nautica theme. Okay, see you then. Bye bye.